This pipe equipment manufacturing enterprises have focused on advanced technology innovation. It is just developed by Washida Machinery Company, using the most advanced vacuum cleaning method, mainly used for oil and gas and heat pipeline insulation and corrosion prevention, with the economic and social development. In the face of this market opportunity, Washida concentrated its scientific research efforts and switched to a new vacuum sizing method. Developed the largest caliber insulation pipe production line. This production line not only reduces the number of workers from 10 to 2 people, the amount of pipe is greatly increased. Now the production line has been exported to UAE, South Korea, and other countries. From the current point of view, is the developed countries in Europe and the United States. We are mainly based on the research and development of high-end equipment, the production of efficient, intelligent, high-quality equipment.